Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to place an order on Uber Eats in 2025. Whether you're craving a quick bite or planning a feast, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Uber Eats has evolved with new features like enhanced AI recommendations and seamless integration with smart devices, so let's get started. First things first, download the Uber Eats app from your phone's app store if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your existing account or create a new one. It's quick and secure, just enter your email, phone number, and set up a password. Now, on the home screen, you'll see personalized recommendations based on your location and past orders. Type in what you're in the mood for, like pizza or sushi, and hit search. A list of nearby restaurants will pop up, complete with ratings, delivery times, and even eco-friendly options highlighted in 2025. Browse the menu by tapping on a restaurant. Add items to your cart by selecting them. Don't forget to customize. For example, choose your preferred spice level or add extras like sauces. If you have dietary restrictions, the app's AI will suggest alternatives automatically. Once your cart is full, review it on the next screen. You can apply promo codes for discounts. Uber Eats in 2025 has more deals than ever. Then, confirm your delivery address. The app uses your current location by default but lets you change it easily. Pick a delivery time, whether it's as soon as possible or scheduled for later. Head to payment. Options include credit cards, digital wallets, or even cryptocurrency in 2025 for faster transactions. Double-check everything, then hit Place Order. You'll get a confirmation notification, and you can track your delivery in real time with live updates. And that's it. Placing an order on Uber Eats is straightforward and efficient. If you run into any issues, the in-app chat support is top-notch. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how your first 2025 order goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.